Hello students, this is Mohua ma'am with ACP class, and the session which is going is on seeking perfection. Means you already had gone through these modules about how you have to be perfect in the products whatever you are making. It may be products, means it may be your drawing, it may be your studying part, it may be making project. So whatever it is, so you have to be perfect in whatever project, whatever product you are doing, you are making. You have to be perfect in any process or method we follow. Like if you are getting any work on organizing some function, you have to be perfect in your words, in your work. You have to follow step by step methods in that. Then you have to be perfect in your interactions with others. It may be with your family members, it may be with your school staff, it may be with your school friends, it may be with your neighborhood friends. So you have to be perfect with your interactions with others. Then you have to be perfect in the roles you are having. Role means you are, as you are very small, your roles may be as a sister, maybe as a friend, maybe as a daughter. So whatever roles you are getting, you have to be perfect in that role, right? So you too can awaken the possibility of seeking perfection if you follow all these 4 ways. Now coming to the next part, which is about why is it important to seek perfection. Some examples are there. Let me show you. These examples you have already done. About Jitu and Puran, I had a discussion in my last video. Then I had a discussion on Vinny's response in case of not seeking perfection and seeking perfection. Then next I have shown you about these 2 class monitors, Priya and Preeti. Priya is not seeking perfection, Preeti is seeking perfection. Now the part which I am going to show you here is meet some individuals who are seeking perfection. Here some examples are there, like seeking perfection in the products he made. Steve Jobs, technology visionary whose team made devices like iPad, iPhone, etc. Jobs even cared about the looks of the parts you couldn't see, those parts which were hidden inside the devices, says Steve Jobs biographer Walter Isaacson. See here, Steve Jobs with his iPod product designers. With the help of all these designers, he has done that wonderful job. Next is seeking perfection in the methods he followed. And the person is, he is a surgeon, Dr. Atul Gawande. He says that a successful surgery requires making 100 small steps go right, one after the other, no slip-ups. His thorough, meticulous approach during surgeries makes sure that every patient who can be saved gets saved. He introduced the checklist method in 8 hospitals in 2008. This brought down surgery-related complications by 36% and death declined by 47%. Many members come together for surgeries. Checklist reduce the chances of errors greatly. Now seeking perfection in her role as a mother. She is Jijabai, mother of Shivaji Maharaj, the great Maratha warrior king. We know Shivaji Maharaj for the bravery with which he fought the Mughals and established the Maratha kingdom. From his childhood, his mother Jijabai inspired young Shivaji and built in him the inner confidence to dream of an independent Maratha kingdom. Fighting the Mughals and other sultans, brave Shivaji established the Maratha kingdom in 1674. Now seeking perfection in the role of son and the king. In Ramayana, we read about Rama. From his various life incidents, we see that he was seeking perfection in his different roles. As a son, to make sure that his father, King Dashrath, did not break his promise, Prince Rama willingly lived in exile for 14 years. Now, as a king, under Rama's rule, peace and justice prevailed throughout the kingdom. So this is all about. So students, if you follow all these possibilities of seeking perfection, definitely you will do each and every work perfectly, as whatever role you will get, as while interacting with others, while any process or method, in any case, means suppose you are getting any type of work to do, so in that case you will follow the step-by-step method or processes, and by doing whatever project or whatever homework, whatever you are doing, if you do it perfectly, right, by getting the proper information, by writing properly, by writing error free, so all these makes you a perfect. So this is all about. Now students, I am going to share you a video now on Swami Vivekananda. As I have told you, this video depicts admirable qualities demonstrated by Swami Vivekananda in his short life. Students, this video helps you to empower and gives you a new identity. In every human being, extraordinary power and strength is inherent, and everyone have the courage to face life squarely. Now, watch this video, and at the end of the video, do share with me how does I can feeling pulling us through different times.
Little Naren was fond of playing meditation. Though it was a play, it awakened in him deep spiritual emotions. His friends would find him quietly sitting for a long time, absorbed. So deep was this absorption that sometimes he had to be shaken from it back to the normal condition of a child. And sometimes it grew more and more difficult to rouse him on such occasions. The boys of the neighborhood sometimes joined him in this pastime. One evening, when the crescent moon was in the sky and they had seated themselves in meditation posture in the worship hall,
"There's a cobra! Run! Run! Naren, get up! There's a cobra near you! Naren, come out!"
but there was no response. So they ran to his father and Kaka, who came in haste. What horror was theirs when they saw a cobra with its hood spread, as if strangely fascinated. They were afraid to call out, lest they disturb the snake and provoke it to strike. Then suddenly it glided away, and a moment later it was nowhere to be found. As soon as the cobra had left, Naren's father and Kaka ran and hugged Narendra.
Why did you not run away?
I was unaware of what was going around. I was feeling inexpressible bliss.